Hi, I'm Karen Mangal. I am the parts marketing specialist responsible for sub-Saharan Africa. So John Deere offers customers a choice and have options for parts and services for old and new machines, which supports the machine throughout the product life cycle. So whether the machine is old or it's new, the customer can still have a John Deere experience by working with the same dealer, with the same technician, and have a choice between generic and original parts, both with a 1-year warranty. And tied to our aftermarket solution is our service box, which has hourly generic service kits for our machines that are 5 to 7 years and older, packed in a box and available over a John Deere counter. So customers can stay safe and order parts in the comfort of their own home. By downloading the John Deere Planter Parts Inspection Checklist, you can identify your wear parts and then click on the JD Parts Catalog link. You can register with the closest dealer in your area and then order your parts online. So we look forward to having you at Nampo. Please follow us on social media, leave comments and questions, and we'll get back to you.